In March 2022, Kia unveiled plans to launch 2 electric pickups by 2027, one designed exclusively for the purpose and the other strategically aimed at emerging markets. Additionally, a ladder frame pickup, tentatively named the Tasman, is set to debut earlier than anticipated in 2024. According to information from Australia's Drive magazine, Kia's Tasman is scheduled for its world premiere next year, with production starting in South Korea in the first half of 2025. The initial trucks are expected to reach dealers in the middle of that year, though ongoing testing with prototypes is still underway. The Tasman distinguishes itself from the dedicated electric pickup by offering a diesel engine option. The diesel variant is projected to be a body-on-frame double cab with a payload capacity of almost 1,000 kilograms and a towing rating of 3,500 kilos. Despite limited sightings of test mules with modified Mohave bodies, the Tasman's design remains shrouded in mystery. It is uncertain whether it will be a pickup version of the Mohave SUV or an entirely new vehicle. Kia's Australian division is actively involved in the development phase, recognizing the local market's significance for the brand. However, the Tasman codenamed TK has not undergone a testing in Australia yet, with final validation testing planned for the coming year. Recent spy photos from Sweden showcase the Kia Tasman during winter testing alongside the Ford Ranger Raptor, hinting at potential powertrains. Kia has access to a potent 3.5-liter turbo V6 from the Hyundai Group with specifications comparable to the Ranger Raptor's engine. The Tasman's exterior dimensions appear to be comparable to the Ranger, with a slightly longer rear overhang, possibly indicating a more spacious cargo area. Kia Australia's General Manager of Product Planning, Roland Rivero, cautions against relying on speculative renderings, emphasizing the use of borrowed panels during prototype testing. Kia Australia's COO, Damien Meredith, envisions the new Ute competing with established models like the Ranger, Hilux, Triton, and D-Max, potentially contributing to Kia's sales growth in the competitive Ute segment. However, success is not guaranteed, and Kia's Australian executives emphasize that any new vehicle emerging from these developments will be entirely new from the ground up.